Welcome back. Today we're here for an update at this project. Let's go in. Alright, so they have been moving pretty quickly in here. As you can see, the walls are already up. This wall came out initially. We're gonna add recessed lighting in both this room as well as on this side. This will be the kitchen area. Cabinet setup will start this way. We go to backsplash here, of course, change out that window. These light fixtures. We get all the flooring throughout. This will be the first full bath I mentioned. This will be a little laundry area here. Kind of hard to get to it, but this will be the first bedroom. So you have your closet here. Of course, no walls up yet, so you can see into the other side. This is the bathroom that I mentioned. Shower will go here. Toilet vanity on the other side. And we'll have that bedroom there. As well as the last bedroom here. Alright, so that's the progress. That's where we are currently. Stay tuned in the next week or so. I have a new update.